Hi guys, this is Insightful Sam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, I make videos like this on educative content on crypto, trading, finance, and all of that. And I would really love if you can help me grow my YouTube channel by subscribing and turning on the bell icon to stay notified on videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to carry out your ton transaction for X Empire. X Empire is a Telegram meme token, like a game where you farm coins and you can stand a chance be eligible for airdrop later on. So I'm mining hands today. Today is September 30th of 2024. And based on the information we got from X Empire, farming would end today. So I want to quickly show you a step-by-step guide on how to carry out your ton transaction and be eligible for airdrop. Although in my own opinion, I'm not sure everyone who doesn't carry out a ton transaction would not be eligible. I believe people will still be eligible without the ton transaction, but then it's my personal opinion, and to be on the safer side, it's best to carry out a ton transaction. So let's get into the video without further ado. So you go to the exchange where you have your assets, that's your ton assets. Just like mine here, I'll be using Bybit exchange. If you have Binance, the same process goes. If you have BitGet, KuCoin, whatever exchange you are using, even Telegram wallet is also applicable, the same process. So you come to this section here that says assets. You tap on it and then you come here, you see your assets. So as you can see, I have my assets here. Ton, I have dog, I have USDT, blah blah blah, but what I need right now is ton, and the ton transaction is 0.5 watts, 0.5 ton worth of assets that you'll be needing. So you click on ton. Once you do that, you see what you have. It is equivalent to $3, 3 USD. But so for me to send, so I'll go over to Telegram, come to the wallet section right here, tap on wallet, then you click on this ton space, because that's the wallet I linked. If you link Tonkeeper, you have to go copy your wallet from Tonkeeper. So I click on that. As you can see, deposit Toncoin, deposit. Just click on that deposit and then you see your address. So you copy the address. Once you copy the address, you can see address is copied to clipboard. Then you head over back to the exchange that you're going to be sending from. Just like mine, in my own case, I'm sending from Bybit, but the same process works for Binance, KuCoin, and other exchanges. Then you click on withdraw assets. Once you do that, you see, select the assets, the crypto you want to be sending. In my own case, like I said, I'm sending ton, so it's tap on ton, and then here you see the address tab. You paste the address in this tab, and then you select the network, choose a network. The network you're going to be selecting is ton. Ensure you're selecting ton network, although the only chain that is available is also ton. And then tag or memo, it's optional. In some cases you need to include the tag or memo, but for this particular one, there's no need for that. Then you head over to this point, tap on max withdraw. So automatically it will calculate the amount. They would include the charge. So if you see here, you see withdrawal fees, it says 0.1 ton. Since I was sending 0.5 ton and they removed 0.1 ton as fees, then I'll be left with 0.417. So I still have some ton in my Telegram wallet, so that's why I'll be going ahead with this. Then you click on withdraw. Once you do that, here it says no verification needed for this address next time. In case you want to send next time and you don't want to carry out a security verification process, you can tap on this. For me, I won't tap on it. Then confirm. Then it says fund password. So fund password, I'm going to be putting my password. And then it says authenticator, so I'm going to be copying my Google authenticator code, as you can see. So now, since I have copied everything, I'm going to confirm the transaction, and as you can see, withdrawal application submitted. So my withdrawal process is in progress, and you can just tap on OK and be expecting my assets to be delivered into my Ton wallet space. So as you can see, my Ton wallet space is still 0.78. So immediately, the moment once that comes in, it would increase, and then I can go ahead to do what? To carry out my Ton transaction for X Empire. So I'm going to be opening X Empire. So at this point, this is where I'm going to be carrying out the Ton transaction. So it looks as though my Ton has been deposited. Let's confirm that. Come over to this section, come to the wallet section. Oh, it's not yet deposited. Okay, all right, fine. It's going to be deposited. Might take a while. So come to this X Empire. This is a tap to earn game. For those of you that don't know, this is how you can actually make money on Telegram using playing this Telegram meme games. So here, tap on this airdrop. As you can see, I already connected my wallet. This is the wallet that is linked, the wallet I sent the Ton assets into. It's what I have linked here. And then you see here, this second option says make a Ton transaction. So the moment I have the asset, that's the Ton that I sent from my exchange, from Bybit exchange to my wallet, the moment I have it deposited, I would tap on this make a transaction, and then I'll proceed with the transaction. So let me confirm if the asset has been deposited yet. Okay, so as you can see here in my Ton space, I have $3.20, which means the asset has been deposited, and I have a Ton coin of a total of 0.55269. So which means I am eligible. I have enough Ton to carry out the transaction. So I'll head over back to X Empire. Like I said, to get to this point, you tap on this airdrop. You see send Ton transaction. You can carry out the Ton transaction here. You can also come to this point in quest right here, and you scroll, you see make a Ton transaction. You can tap on this and click on make Ton transaction. So the moment you make a Ton transaction, it's going to send you like a receipt, so an action to confirm. So you can see action to confirm, sent 0.5 Ton balance after confirmation. So once I click on confirm, you're about to send most of your assets. Only confirm blah blah blah. Just tap on confirm to carry out the transaction regardless. So as you can see, the transaction has been made, and the deduction will be carried out in a second. And once that is done, you see the process will start to load. And not to bore you, I'm going to be showing you the aftermath. But once you do that, as you can see, make Ton transactions, send transactions, and to be able to receive a drop, transaction has been successfully done. Take the reward. Thank you very much. And as you can see, now it has switched, so I am eligible for X Empire airdrop, and hopefully the airdrop is meaningful. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you're new to my channel and you want to see videos like this, more videos like this, please take your time to click on the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends and family, anyone that you think might need this video. Please share with them. And with no further ado, thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye.